Nigerian Bar Association Kaduna Branch has joined residents of 6 communities in Igabi local government area of the state in a peaceful protest against alleged illegal demolitions, human rights violations, and disregard for court orders by Nigerian Army Infantry Corps Center in Jaji. The protesters, who carried placards with various inscriptions, demanded respect for rule of law, reversal of evictions, and insisted that military must remain subject to civil authority. Chairman NBA Kaduna Branch, Barrister Baba Lawal, condemned what he described as demolition of ancestral homes, farmlands, forced evictions, and arbitrary arrest in defiance of subsisting court injunctions. He recalled that between 2018 and 2021, the State High Court had ordered all parties to maintain status quo, stressing that disobedience of such rulings amounts to contempt of court and a grave threat to constitutional democracy.
The branch condemns the ongoing illegal demolitions, human rights violations, and disobedience to court orders in the Igabi local government of Kaduna State, subjected to unlawful demolitions of their ancestral homes and farmlands, arbitrary arrests without warrants, and forced evictions despite being court injunctions expressly prohibiting such actions. The NBA Kaduna Branch therefore asks for the following. 1. Strongly condemns the illegal demolitions, arbitrary arrests, and contemptuous or disobedience of court orders by the commander of ICC Jaji. Calls for immediate halt to all planned demolitions in the Igabi local government area, including Anguamal and Auta. 3. Demands the release of unlawfully detained persons with immediate effect. 4. Warns that continued defiance of judicial authority will not be tolerated and urges urgent accountability by the military. Assures the affected communities of the MBS unwavering commitment to defend their rights and uphold the sanctity of the rule of law.
Reacting to the allegations, Commander Infantry Corps Center Major General Usman Yusuf defended the demolitions, saying they targeted illegal settlements within Jaji cantonment that posed serious security risk and obstructed military training. He alleged that some of the affected communities are bored criminals and drug peddlers, stressing that the military would not tolerate such activities within its operational environment.
We've occupied all our training areas. They farmed all areas we are supposed to train, and it's giving us serious problem because we find it difficult to conduct training within the cantonment because we don't want to destroy crops. However, we cannot continue to live like this in light of recent security challenges that are emanating within this community, ranging from drugs, kidnapping activities, including murder. Most of our pre-deployment training for all operations are conducted here. So can you imagine that we have terrorists and informants residing here and they are watching our training? And especially now that people have phones, they can even record what they are saying, stay somewhere, record everything. And the adversary knows how we train and prepare for us. Serious security risk to these assets, so they just can't remain here.
NBA and protesting communities are appealing to federal and Kaduna State government, as well as international community, to intervene urgently to halt military actions, warning that continued defiance of judicial authority would not be tolerated.
We are saying this matter has been in court for almost a decade, and there are several court orders that ordered both parties to maintain their positions. So why should the military go in the middle of the night and demolish houses, mosques and churches and displace the young, the children, the female, the disabled during this rainy season? I mean,